Hi friends, welcome to Easy Cooking with Ekta. Today we are going to make a very easy and simple breakfast recipe. This is Subway recipe. It's very easy to make. You can see all the ingredients onto my tabletop. This is the sub bread of English oven that I'm going to use. The another one is the dressing. This is Southwest dressing from Viva. You can use any dressing of your own choice. Then I have some tomato ketchup here. There are certain veggies as well as all-purpose seasoning that I'm going to use. This is paneer, this is onion, and then cucumber. Then I have mayonnaise with me. We can make use of other sauces as well, such as mustard sauce if you like it. Let's first squeeze in the Southwest dressing onto my sub bread. Then some mayo. Then some tomato ketchup. Mix everything really well, blend them together. And this is a very tempting and easy to make healthy sub. Done. Add on the veggies and then top up with some all-purpose seasoning of Kia. Now we are going to apply some butter onto the sub bread. It's completely optional. Cook it for about 30 to 40 odd seconds and your sub bread is ready. This is your sub bread.